Hi guys, and this is our new video where I will show you how to activate the reverse filter on the video in Snapchat app. So let's go to the voting. To activate Snapchat, we just need to pick on this icon in the home screen, and when we are on the default camera screen, to create a new video we just need to pick on the central shooter button. Let's do it, and I will show something to use these effects later to see this needful reverse filter we will use. So let's start a new video creation. 1 finger, 2 fingers and 3 fingers. Okay. To activate the reverse filter, I just need to swipe to drag these lines, these bottom lines, to the left side, to enable left side, and find this reverse option. This is that. Let's check it. 3 fingers, 2 fingers and 1. Let's check it again. So at the first we see 3 fingers, but as you remember, 3 fingers I showed at the end of the video. So as you can check, this video is definitely reversed and this cool filter is activated. Don't forget that you can also use another one, but this filter looks like arrow which looks at the left side. Okay, so let's send it to my story. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the Snapchat application and other programs. So good luck! Bye bye!